Hello ladies and gentlemen, apa khabar? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope everybody are well and in good health. And we have a lot of questions. People are asking us how to actually save this one pager. As you know now, I'm using one pager as our training support for all our program, as it makes it easy. Okay. But a lot of questions says that, oh, I have to register, I have to make payment and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, let me inform that there's no need to pay. You are just using this as a user, but I know what has happened. Okay, so let me share. Okay, I hope I can. Okay, let me copy this. So this is a new one pager I just recently did for people to move from MAB to MAB. So currently I need to click save to account, but if it is saved, it will go into my current account now. So what I will do, I will try and open in Microsoft Edge. I hope I've never tried and open this. Actually I did few days last weekend class, but I think I have clear cache and everything. Let's see. This is Vimeo. Okay, let me try again. Copy this. Okay, copy this. Go Edge. Oh my. Right, let me try and save this. My internet is a little bit slow because sometimes using Camtasia is like this. I need to remove, I need to clear cache and stop Camtasia, because Camtasia takes a lot of space. So when we have a lot of videos, then we just have to stop. Alright, so the one pager will open. Okay, so it has saved the account. So what we can do, I hope I can do it. Okay, let me do save the account. Alright, so it will ask where to save. Okay, so I'm going to put in which account that I have never used, so that I can do demonstration. So let me hang on, let me check. Okay, let me try and use this AMB Trailblazer platform. Okay, it may be. So I've never used this. So I haven't. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't opened any account with one pager yet. So I'm putting that AMB Trailblazer platform at gmail.com, and I save this content. Alright, great. So now when you don't have this, that means it's safe. So now I need to now log in. So it says sign in as AMB Trailblazer, AMB platform only. So alright, okay. So okay, what do I do now? Okay, let me close this. Okay, let me just close this. Let me try and close this. Okay, so let me try and, because I want to log in. Okay, let me try. So now I go here, never mind, I go here one pager, log in. Okay, okay, one pager is onepager.io login. So I'm going to click here. It said, I think it will actually ask us to log in. Alright, so it will ask a login, because just now we saved, we haven't logged in. Okay, so now I'm going to put here back AMB Trailblazer platform at Gmail, and I'm going to log in with your email. Okay, so what happened is that there's no password, ladies and gentlemen. So no password. Okay, so it asks us to actually check. So I'm gonna link my app mirror. Hang on, link app mirror. So let me try and link app mirror first, ladies and gentlemen, so that you can see the steps. Okay, the problem, let me check the Wi-Fi. Is using which Wi-Fi? Okay. Alright, so let me change to this. Okay, because it has to have the same Wi-Fi, so I'm connecting to that Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connected node. Okay lah, connect this and I change here. Hang on, give me a minute. Let me change here. I need to connect to the same device. Alright, okay. So it's in already. Mirror. Start now. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to close this. Okay, where is it? I already opened just now. So you see? So I received this. Okay, so you see, log into one pager. They will send you. So now I will say log into one pager. Okay. So what will happen is that you are logged into one pager. Go back to the original tab. So let me just bring this here. So you see, don't close this tab. Now I'm in. So now it's logging in. Okay. So you see, that create your first one pager. Alright, one pager allow you to actually do one collection, one pager for free for one. Okay. So there's no need to actually click here. So if you click here, alright, if you have actually tried and do this, I think some of you may have done this. Okay, they allow you for only one. Alright, then if you click here, okay, they don't have yet. Because why? Because the moment you create your first one pager here, then the first one is free, but when you wanted to do the second one, then they will ask payment. So if you click here, it will ask for payment. But we don't want this. As a user, all of you only need this. You see here, save one pager. So now I click this save one pager. There, this is the one that I just saved just now. And you can just use this. Is free. Alright, as long as you continue and click there. So let us go back one pager. Okay, so this is okay. So you see, so you have these hundreds of one pager here, ladies and gentlemen. There's no charges. Okay, there's no charges. But if you go to collection, they give you one. You can create basically one pager. You can try and play around with it, but then they will then ask for payment. Alright, save, there's no payment. So I hope that answers the question. Alright, and I wish all of you the best and good luck. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.